Sorry that video got cut off. Here it is now. It's raining a little stronger. Constant drip. I mean, that drip will soak. I've been having these little rags here, sucking it up. Yeah, nothing else is leaking anywhere else. Nothing. No leaks anywhere else. Yeah, this, the seal is, felt is definitely soaked. But the only place it's leaking, where you can actually see it all the time, is right there. Just give it a moment. There you go. There's a rivet hole over there that's sealed. Rivet hole over there that's sealed. No rivet hole there. And it's like, it's coming down. And since it seeks into here, it funnels out. Yeah, not cool. It's preventing me from putting my interior back on. And what I tried showing on the other video, but my phone ran out of space, was the outside. Here's the outside. They're installed very nicely. They were installed by a professional glazing company who's installed many of these panoramic side glass here in South Florida. Yeah, the glass looks fantastic, it works great, except it leaks like a sieve. And I guess where it's leaking is somewhere right around there. So if anybody's ever encountered that, it empties out right here where that gap is between the two pieces of glass. Sorry, between the two pieces of rubber. There's two pieces of rubber there. Then they're in different spots. I have to look at it with a scope to find them. Yeah, there's the spacing. I don't know what to tell you. I really hope that wasn't happening. And we're expecting a big storm, so hopefully we can figure this out.